If I uploaded any of this, or if I just had the thing supposed to be running, this is some scrap lumber. We'll make something else out of it. What we do is cut it up in pieces, thin pieces. And when we stack the other lumber up, we'll put them thin pieces between the boards so they'll dry better. Well, I'm going to show this again just in case it didn't work the first time. This is scrap. No usable lumber there. Now, you might get one or two short pieces out of it, that's all. But that'll be burned. It's no good for anything else. I hope the camera is running this time. I want y'all to see what we've been doing this morning. This is what we've been making this morning. Good lumber. One piece in there is thicker than the rest, but that's okay. We cut up some thin pieces to go between the boards when we stack them up. I don't know if y'all can see them or not. Those thin pieces. It's what we call dunnage. Stack it up between the boards. Let the air get to them and they dry better. But, like I say, I'm going to do this again. We had a big pile of logs here. Now we ain't. Now we've been milling them into lumber. We got one piece of cypress right there. That'll make cypress boards. I'm going to cut it to fit. That sawmill will only cut a piece 20 feet long. These will have to be cut to fit on the sawmill. They're a little over 20 feet. This particular tree was about to fall on the man's house over across the bayou, on Greg's house. And he's in Alaska, so JD called him and told him about it. He called and got a crew to come down there and take that tree down. Where it wouldn't fall on his house and caving in. Told JD, you can have that tree if you want it. And we went over there and got it. And we still got this oak, 300-year-old oak here. And there, it's a huge stump, you hear me? I reckon we can do something with it, though. It'll be burnt for firewood. Okay, I appreciate everybody watching. I don't make long videos or sensational videos, but I appreciate all the people that watch. Right out here in the woods, there's deer coming up out there, and wild hogs too. That's where I put their food out for them so they won't go hungry. I don't want them to be hungry. It's like my cats. I don't want them to be hungry. So I buy them food. There's another view of the scrap pile. I appreciate everybody watching. Bye, y'all.